of Incognito. Come on, let's hear it. A man who does not run out of swag. He is so swaggerocious, loaded with talent. He can sing, he can swag, and he's forever. From Amelia, Daniel Padilla. This gentleman can sing, he can dance, he can play an instrument, he can paint, he can do so many things, but his staying power is unbelievable and unbeatable. Ian Veneracion. This next gentleman, put it this way, if I want to do a movie with him, I want to be on his side. He's an actor who is above and beyond acting. Baron Geisler! She is enchanting, beautiful, and breathtaking. Maurice Rahal! All the new young actors to be watching for, you need to keep your eyes on this gentleman. How can you not? He's so guapo. Anthony James! And talking about beautiful, and what a beautiful last name you have. I saw her as a child and she is now equally breathtaking. The beautiful Kyla Estrada. And one of the most sought after, in-demand leading men / action stars, takes every role seriously, passionate at what he does, and he's an outstanding father. Richard Gutierrez!
Oh my gosh, kapamilya! Kung alam nyo na kung gaano kalakas yung sigawan sa studio, it's here! Alright, grabe, before anything else, congratulations, phenomenal serye. Lahat kami talagang nagustuhan na humaling sa serye ko. But can we just ask you, what's the most memorable thing for you sa serye ko? Let's ask Madam first. Madam.
Everything. Of course, the people.
Yeah.
And the team. And the team behind our show. And of course, talented cast. Dami kong lessons na nakapauna. Hindi ko makalimutan. Sobrang salamat.
Maraming salamat talaga. Maurice, I think you want to say something.
Besides, first time ko mag-action ever. I think yung pinakamababaan ko dito is yung magandang friendship na nabuo na lahat. Kasi yun talaga yung pinaka-cherish ko. Maka-work ko sila lahat in one project. And these people are so amazing. They have beautiful souls. And sobrang sipag sa trabaho. They're so inspiring. Kaya, that's the best.
The best talaga, Jennings.
Sabi nga nila lahat ako sa akin. Sobrang dami kong naiisip na memorable. Alam mo, we minute to mention. Sunod to mention. So, sabi ko sa akin, yung buong show. Sobrang memorable. Kasi ito po rin, sa pinaka-ang show.
Solid talaga.
Solid talaga. And of course, di lang memorable para sa inyo, pero para sa ating lahat, mga kapatid nyo, you agree? Yes, of course, pero ito na, ang pagkakataon, the finale is incoming. Can you invite everyone to watch ang finale ng Incognito?
Siyempre, mga kapamilya, gusto rin natin ko yung pasalamatan. Isa ba? One more time.
Welcome back, Daniel!
Okay, it's been a while. Mga kapamilya, gusto namin kayong lahat pasalamatan sa walang sawang pagsubaybay. Gabi-gabi siyempre sa Incognito. Hindi naging madali ang mga pinagdaanan namin, mga contracts. Pero, naging masaya tayo sa suporta ninyo at siyempre, sa pamilyang nabuo natin sa Incognito.
Yes, at buong puso namin buong puso kami nagpapasalamat sa inyo lahat na ang Incognito ay handog namin sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sinasabay sa gusto.
I agree with you, Ian, and I hope na hanggang sa aming huling linggo kahit kayo, I love you. Kaya ninyo ay patuloy yung supportahan, panoorin ang Incognito.
Yes, from Gab's heart and my heart. Yes, from Gab's heart and my heart. Grazie mille. Arigato. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. You made this journey unforgettable.
Again, maraming salamat sa salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta kay Congress, kay Conga, kay magtatapos sa buhay ng lahat. Maraming salamat po sa lahat.
Yes, it was definitely an exciting journey with us.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood at sumuporta sa amin sa Incognito. We are down on our final week. Sana po ay suportahan ninyo at ma-enjoy ninyo ang huli naming pasabog. Dito lang po sa Kapamilya natin, A to Z, Kapamilya Online Live, at TV5. Thank you very much!
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Familia, the A to Z, everyone. We are here on the show. This is your cast of Incognito. Give them a round of applause. Come on. And on behalf of a grateful nation, thank you for raising the bar. And how you did this, and how it was done, and the treatment, and your acting, and your roles, and the story. You are number one. Thank you so much. Yes.
You hear what the Kapamillas are saying right now.
Season 2.
Season 2.
Season 2. Season 2.
Let's ask the contractor. Contractor, may bagong mission ba?
Makahanap ako ng bagong mission.
Yeah. But for now, we say mission accomplished. Palakpakan po natin the cast of
Incognito! More fresh stuff coming up with some fresh collabs when we come back right here on Asa! Incognito!
Guys, please watch Hello Sunshine.
Ay, hindi. Pwede namin abot sa kanila dalawa. Thank you so much.
Ito project. Sakto-sakto. Alam ko lang. Ano yan? Incognito.
I love it.
Okay, sama. Ready po, Sir Chan. Speaker po. Ready? 5, 4, 3 po.
Punta sa Vice Incognito. Abangan po ninyo ang huling linggo namin. Abangan po ninyo ang huling pasabog namin. Dito lang sa Kapamilya Channel. Kapamilya Online. ATC. GTV. TV5. Watch it advanced on Netflix. Byron EFC.
Yes! Having been the cast of Incognito, but I think they're screaming something. They're chanting, Season 2! Season 2!
Incognito!
Incognito!
Yeah.
Okay, stay na po lang. Incognito class. Pero okay na po.
Pero tumawa ka.
Okay na po. Robbie, Edward, okay na po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Okay, kunin na yung mic. Kain na po, kain na po, kain na po, Jess. Meron na po kami dukutan.
Huwag kayong pagkagulo.
Wait lang po muna. O Jess, wala pong makikikuha ng video po. Salamat. Marami na po kami. Diyan sila po sasampa sa stage ha. Salamat po. Oh, Jess, wala ko sasampa sa stage, please. Wala ko sasampa sa stage, please. Yung mga nasa gilid po, stay lang po muna kayo sa pwesto nyo. Wala ko sasampa sa stage. Marshals, patuloy na lang po. Lalo po dito sa kanan, no? Nakakagulo po sila dito. Boys, mag-isa pa tayo ng kahanan. Pagkahan pa tayo, nato yun.